Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your blockchain wallet address. First, access your digital wallet, whether it's a software application, a hardware device, or an exchange platform. Look for a section labeled Receive, Deposit, or Wallet. This area will display your unique address for a specific cryptocurrency. Always double-check the address before sharing it to ensure accuracy and prevent errors. Finding your address varies slightly by wallet type. For software wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, navigate to the specific coin and tap Receive. Hardware wallets, such as Ledger or Trezor, will show the address on the device screen after you select the asset. On cryptocurrency exchanges, go to the Deposit section for the desired coin, and your unique address will be provided there. Each method is straightforward once you know where to look. When finding your address, remember a few key points. Ensure the address you're using is for the correct cryptocurrency. Sending Bitcoin to an Ethereum address will result in lost funds. Some wallets generate a new address for each transaction to boost privacy, but previous addresses usually remain valid. Always use the copy-paste function to avoid manual entry mistakes, as blockchain transactions are irreversible. Stay vigilant to protect your assets. Protecting your wallet address and funds is paramount. Never, under any circumstances, share your private key or seed phrase. These are the keys to your crypto. Implement strong, unique passwords and always enable two-factor authentication on all your accounts and wallets for an extra layer of security. Regularly back up your wallet information securely. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Stay safe and informed in the crypto space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.